What's up, YouTube? Got a update video of my stash so far. Family Baker Power Room. Like and subscribe, please. It's the game room. Kids tear it up in here, coloring it. But yeah, we got some good cakes to show so far for the show. 2021. Some nice shells. We got Grand Slam by Brothers. It's a 16 shot. Ain't gonna go into all of them, how many shots we got, but you can see them here pretty much. Irish Legend, 30 shot. Slam Dunk. Some of these came in the Max load assortment. And shout out to Superior Fireworks, big up to them. Shop there just about every year. I plan on winning first place this year, so I'm sorry to whoever. And by the way, this is not how it might not be set up, but I'm just configuring some things. Definitely got some cakes I didn't have last year. Got some I have almost every year. But in the sale, during the time of the sale, of course you go on the shelves and everything wasn't there. They still had a lot of stuff, but they just got a shipment in, so I'm gonna make a video when I go in. I love that lineup right there: atom bomb, cobalt bomb, neutron bomb, hydrogen bomb. It's a nice lineup. And Apollos. Got some nice. The Apollos came in a big box, 4-pack, for like 200. Quest canister shells. There's 24 shells in there. And those are the 6 in each sleeve. 4 tubes came with that one. And I got some double break 6-inch UXO by American Fireworks. Those are a little bit bigger. Of course, I got some cakes lined up. That's midnight. 204 shot. Then I got 2 get some. Those like 2.5-inch breaks. 9 shots. Victor, I just love those, man. They got the horsetails, some peonies, but they kind of go together. I had them in my last year's show, 2 of them, and they went swell. And they Liberty got the willows, 9 shot. Got some smaller cakes in between. But yeah, so far this the stash. Get the receipt. Can't show y'all all the numbers, but I will show you the final number. $1,100 so far. And I'll be going back tomorrow, so I'll make an update video to see what new stuff I get. But we got about 39 cakes here so far.